everyone, this is Nancy from ORIEMAC. Today we arrived at Shanghai Warehouse near the Shanghai Port. We will ship a 33 meters pump truck that is SANY SYM5210THBF. It is also our hard-selling short boom pump truck. Let's see what features it has. Let's go. Firstly, it has a compact structure and is flexible. The vehicle is 9.09 meters long and 3.53 meters high, a wheelbase of 4.6 meters, and a minimum unfolded height of 6.5 meters. It has a large ground clearance and a flexible fabric, so it is very suitable for construction in narrow spaces, such as urban and rural constructions, factory, etc. More, the pumping is more powerful. It has the 42 megapascals main oil pump, and the maximum displacement can reach 120 km/h. It's also equipped with Yuchai engine with 191 kilowatts. The improvement is that the fuel consumption is lower than previous version, so while working efficiently, you can also save the fuel cost. What's also worth mentioning that the vertical reach 32.2 meters, the horizontal reach 28.2 meters, so we can see the fabric range becomes wider. Okay, generally speaking, in the face of some small roads and site conditions, the large pump trucks are difficult to enter the sites. So the small pump truck has unique advantages. They can easily cope with many complex working conditions, such as the narrow roads, many bends, etc. Nowadays, with engine compatibility and convenient control performance, SANY 33 pump truck has become the first choice for many pump truck users. If you are also interested, please contact me and hope we can help you with your project. Thanks for watching.